Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Android Studio on Windows 10. Now let's jump straight into the process. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open any of the browser. Here I'm going to open Google Chrome. Now search for download Android Studio. Now over here you can find this link for downloading Android Studio in your Windows 10. Click on this link. After you open this link, you can see this option of download Android Studio. Click on it. Now just scroll down to the bottom. Read all these terms and conditions of this app and put tick mark on this small square box and then click on download Android Studio. This is a large file, so it might take some minutes. You have to wait for some minutes. After it is downloaded, you have to install it. After the completion of download, you have to open this file at the bottom left corner. Just click on it. Now click on Install Anyway. It is in the process to be installed to your device. You just have to wait until it is installed and you can just easily open and use this app. Now you have to click on Next. Again click on Next. Again click on Next. Click on Install. It is in the process. Now click on Next again. After it is completed to be installed, click on Finish. And you are done. You can find this app in your Windows now. You can click on Start icon. Click on this All Apps option. Over here you can find this Android Studio. In this way you can easily download Android Studio on Windows 10. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.